Well, like we were saying, the hottest July on record for the West Lafayette area was in 1936. Average temperature that month was about 84 degrees. And so far, we're getting towards the end of July. Here at the station, 81.5 degrees is the average temp. At the Ag Farm, it's 81. At the Purdue Airport, about 82. And really, for all three of these weather stations, you really got to go back to 36 to find a July this hot. And most of this rainfall at each one of these weather stations fell in the past 3 days. That 7,700 here at WLFI, that is the lowest July amount I could find since 36, when we had 6,200s for the month. And more heat's on the way. Notice on Precision tonight, the colors to the west, that's not a good thing. Excessive heat warnings, heat advisories from South Dakota all the way to Texas and Mississippi. And boy, some of these temperatures in northern Missouri and Iowa over the weekend are going to be up around 110, 111. Some of the hottest weather since 36, and that dome of heat is headed our way. You can already see a lot of the showers and storms riding up and around it. And eventually, we'll start to get a couple clusters of storms that will kind of impinge on the heat wave, and that may bring some storm chances, perhaps even a couple severe storms by later on in the week with all of that heating around for the area. Tonight it's nice and pleasant though. We've got a nice little north to northeast wind blowing. The flag's blowing on our Renaissance cam right now. You can see that, and still some people out enjoying the cooler night. It's 70 degrees here at the station after 85 today. Is 83 at the airport, 69 Monticello, 68 Peru, and a nice 64 degrees at Burlington. As the winds calm down a little bit tonight, a little patchy fog is possible. Then we've got a hot weekend before even hotter weather, 100 by Monday. Pleasant tonight. These are the coolest readings, boy, in about 3 weeks around here, 4 weeks. 61 at Lafayette, 61 Monticello, 59 Rochester, 60 Peru, and 62 at Crawfordsville. Heating up tomorrow, light south wind, but low humidity, mostly sunny, 90 to 95, 93 Lafayette, 92 Burlington, and 94 at Pence and a 92 at Kewanna. Hotter still Sunday, pushing 100 at Pence with 98, 97 Fowler, 96 Lafayette, and a 94 at Camden, Flora, as well as Logansport. But again, I guess the silver lining, will certainly be a dry heat. Not really humid. So there's the heat again overspreading the area. 100 Monday, 100 Tuesday, but on the periphery of the heat wave, we start to break it down a little bit, and we may see a couple of storms, couple clusters of storms affect the area later on in the week, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised if there is even a little bit of severe weather with those. 96 Sunday, there's 2 days at 100, 98 Wednesday, and then Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, we're going to be in the ring of fire, so we may have a couple of clusters of storms, Dan, kind of blast on through. They kind of originate up towards Chicago and move through parts of the viewing area, and that's good news. We could use even a little more rain.
I know. We need some rain, and the Cubs need some help, and we're getting closer for both, hopefully.